Hi everyone, James here at Urban Auto. Today we are using our fuel transfer pump. This customer here had a smell of gasoline in the vehicle. That is not something what you want. We are all about safety first here. We have our pump hooked up with the ground strap for extra safety. Gasoline is a smell you do not want in your vehicle. You might be wondering, can we help you out? What if my car's European? In that case, we are here to help you. We have the capability, we have the technology and the equipment.
And we got a good hand pumper.
And we also get a good workout.
All right. British cars, North American cars, doesn't matter. We do the Jags. We do the British cars. We do all kinds of cars.
We do them all.
What do we do here, James?
We
Safety first.
make sure you're safe. Safety first, everyone.
Have a great weekend.